Welcome to my channel PKY3. Regarding singer Hikaru Utada Osaka Crystal Hall performance as part of her nationwide tour, Hikaru Utada Sense Function Tour 2024 scheduled for the 27 and 28, an announcement has been made on her official SNS account in light of the approach of Typhoon number 10. In a post made around 4:30 p.m. on the 26th, they explained that based on the current predicted path of Typhoon number 10 and information transpiration services, the performance at Osaka Zoo Hall on Tuesday, August 27 will be held as scheduled. They also asked attendees to please check the information on the transpiration services you will be using when you arrive at the venue and after the performance.